A patient sent a video to me yesterday where a medical doctor was saying that anyone that tells you that varicocele has treatment other than surgery, the person is lying. The only solution, the only remedy, the only way to address varicocele is through surgery. I told the patient that this is his own opinion, and the reason why he's saying this is because in their conventional medicine, they don't have any solution to it. And the way they are groomed, the way they are trained, the orientation they are given is that anything they cannot address, then there's no solution to it. This is a very bad mentality. I told you guys about my wife having appendicitis. The pain, the agony was so much. And what we know is that the only solution is appendectomy. But she used natural medicine within 3 to 5 days. This is over 9 years now. Within 3 to 5 days of using natural medicine, till now, she did not experience it again. Some will say it is just try your luck. The same medication she used, we've used it for over 10 patients, and we have like 90% success. But the doctor will say that, we don't believe it. Who cares if you believe it? Like, who cares? I don't care if you believe or not. It is working. And those who are seeing the transformation, they are getting happy. They are getting their results. So your opinion does not matter in as much people are getting better. I've shared a lot of testimonials of patients that have varicocele. In fact, this week, a patient having bilateral grade 3 varicocele, and within 3 months of using our medication, the person becomes totally free from varicocele. So if you say you do not believe it, that's your problem. If you want the patient's contact, you can call the patient. I will give it to you. Reach out to me personally. I will give you the patient's, the patient's number, so you can call him. If it is a drama, if it is a theatrics, there are lots of testimonials. So if you say you do not believe it, who cares if you believe it or not? So for you guys having varicocele, let me tell you this. The honest truth that they won't tell you is that varicocelectomy, yes, it's one of the approach to address varicocele, but it's not the only approach. And for health conditions, the best approach is the less invasive approach. The best approach to address health conditions is the one that does not have to do with cutting your body. Because when you have to cut a particular organ, or have to tear up a particular tissue, there are a lot of complications that can occur that can make the case to be more complicated. There are a lot of patients that did varicocelectomy, and after the procedure, their condition become worsened. I believe these doctors cannot say they have not seen cases like this so much. In fact, in most cases, the chance of getting worse after the surgery is higher than the chance of success. I have a patient who has done varicocelectomy 3 times. He's preparing for the 4th one. So saying that the only solution is varicocelectomy, as if it is an almighty formula that guarantees the success of the treatment. So if you're having varicocele, reach out to us. Let's go to your diagnosis. In fact, it's not only me that can address it. I've seen some other people that share testimonials of addressing varicocele, and they also get results. So saying that there's no solution to it, that is a dumb statement, a very dumb and myopic statement. So will you deny all the results? Just like someone said that I do not believe there is God. That's your own personal problem. If you don't believe there is God, how does that concern me? We believe there is God because we are seeing the evidences and the signs, and all the proofs are there. So if you want to deny it even after the proof, that's your problem. This is the same thing we say to those saying that there's no treatment for varicocele. The results, the transformations, the reviews are there. So if you reject it, that's your problem. Who cares? Who cares if you accept or reject it? The evidences is very evident. The proofs are very clear. So if you don't want to accept it, that's to you. But to the patients, those who are rational, who are logical, how will you say the only solution is surgery when people have been addressing the condition even before conventional medicine? So there are lots of ways to address varicocele, without surgical procedure and with low risk. So if you're having the condition, you want us to address it, reach out to us. Let's go to your diagnosis. We write out your treatment plan, and by the grace of God Almighty, we achieve success. Thanks so much, the Criterion Care.